Jurlique Rosewater Balancing Mist. This is such a gorgeous, divine product, and I feel like it, I mean, there were definitely facial mists before it, but this really championed the whole facial mist movement, and it is such a beautiful, natural, pure product. It first launched in 1993. I went to the Jurlique farm, I've been twice actually, in South Australia, and it's so beautiful. You can see the roses being harvested, they're all organically grown, they're actually biodynamically grown, many of them. It just refreshes your makeup. You can use it after makeup to refresh your skin, to set makeup. If you're using any kind of powder product, if you use a fine mist, it will actually set. Rosewater is just so good for your skin. It has really hydrating properties, it's softening. The product also contains marshmallow root and aloe vera, so these are all incredibly soothing and softening ingredients, designed to really put your skin back into balance when it's a little bit hot and bothered, stressed out, or if you just need any kind of lift throughout the day.